Hey guys, it's Jahna Michal from the Cat Country Morning Show. So I really wanted to talk to you guys today about my Invisalign process. I keep saying how easy it is to put the trays in and out of my mouth, how it's super convenient because I don't have to worry about, just general upkeep that you would have to think about if you were considering getting braces going down the traditional route. So Lakeview Dental Care has been absolutely fantastic. I would not be able to be getting through this process without them because I'm always just so busy, you know what I mean? And so they are amazing because their hours are so convenient. Like I can go in whenever I need to throughout the day and don't have to alter my life for their schedule. They exist to fit and work with you, which is absolutely awesome. But I really wanted to talk about the process of popping your trays in and out of your mouth. I'm on tray 9 right now. Sorry, I'm gonna take a sip of water. And I just got done drinking some tea. So the only thing that you can have, that you can consume while the trays are in your mouth, is water. So I just got done having some tea, so I had to take them out of my mouth. So right now, they're already brushed. I'm going to pop them right back in and show you how to do that. So this is your case that your dentist / orthodontist, or I don't know if yours are separate, would give you at Lakeview Dental Care. It's all same doctor. Hi, Dr. Hill, I love you. And they're super easy to just pop in and out. So I'm just going to show you, put my money where my mouth is. So that's your tray. Super cute inside. Look at it. Looks like a little flower in there. But yeah, so that's your tray. And these are your trays, your teeth trays. So this is my bottom one. It's gonna go on my bottom teeth. And this one, whoop, can't really see it. This one is my top tray. So we'll do the top tray first. So you just open. If you can see here, I have little, oh my gosh, what was the word? I ask Dr. Hill that word all the time. They're basically like little cement pieces that your trays hook into to hold the trays in place. So you just hook your trays onto those and you're good to go. So super easy. All right, top ones are in. Super clear. Don't have to worry about anything. Now we move on to the bottoms. So again, here's my bottom. Perfect. And they're in. Let me see. If you can see. Okay, see? So as you can see, if you didn't know that I had them in, you'd never know. They're so easy to pop in and out. And the next time I pop them out might be if I get a coffee later today for my 2 o'clock pick-me-up, or a snack, or dinner. And other than that, they're in all the time. So I hope that shines a little bit of light on what it's like to live with Invisalign for the Invisalign process. And I will see you soon.